Never seen anyone do this on the internet before, so I decided to try it out myself, and the outcome was, keep watching to see what the outcome looks like. So in a bowl, I've just added 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I've sifted it just to make sure that there are no lumps in it. I'm going in with some sugar, some nutmeg, and I'm going to mix that. Now you might be wondering, where is your baking powder? Don't worry, I said this is an experiment, okay? That's why you should keep on watching. I've also added 2 eggs, and now I'm adding my peak condensed milk. Guys, if you haven't tried condensed or peak milk, liquid peak milk in your buns, Nigerian buns, try it out. It is so delicious. Like, don't use all this regular milk that you used to drink tea and bread. No, just try it with this peak milk and come and confess. That is if you haven't tried it before, okay? So after adding the milk, I went in with some lemon zest. Guys, this is where the experiment comes in, okay? I went in with some lemon zest, and I also added or squeezed in a little bit of the lemon juice. And now I'm adding my butter. I'm just going to add the butter and mix everything to combine well. So I wanted to mix it first before adding the butter, so that I don't add the butter when the stuff is still liquidy and the butter will be running or dancing inside the bowl. No, I just wanted to mix it first and then add the butter and continue mixing until I get this consistency. Now the lemon zest and the lemon juice is serving as our baking powder. Did you get that? That was the experiment. I just told myself, let me just try doing these Nigerian buns without baking powder and see what it will look like. And guys, you need to keep watching this video to the end to see what the outcome looks like, okay? I'm not going to disclose it yet. By the way, after mixing that, you will have to cover it up and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before you start frying it, okay? So I've just added some oil in my pan, let it heat up a bit. You guys saw how 2 different ways I tested to make sure that the oil is hot enough before I went in with my buns. Yeah, it's either you place your hands on top of the pan, please be careful, okay? Or you use a toothpick to check if the oil is hot enough. Now once the oil is hot enough, you're going to go in with your buns batter, the mixture. Now add it. I'm using an ice cream scooper to do this. You can use your hand to, you know, mold it. You just gather the batter with your 4 fingers, use the tip of your finger to push it out and put in the oil. Or you can use an ice cream scooper, just like I'm doing here. All right, fry until it is golden brown, like what you can see on the screen. And that is it, guys. Like, the outcome was very okay. It had that lemon flavor in it, and it tasted so good. We enjoyed it with some chilled or cold drinks, and some of us had it with yogurt. It was absolutely delicious. I think you should try it out. Thanks for watching. Guys, can you believe it? This is the buns I just finished frying some minutes ago. Look at what we have left. Only 3 left, and hubby said he's going to work with this 3. Like, it was gone in minutes. Hey. the thing was so yummy. Like, you will be eating and your taste buds will be requesting for more. Hubby is enjoying his own with yogurt. You need to go and try this, okay? So yummy.